Okay, in this first demo, we're going to create a very simple report, and then we're going to add a parameter to the report, and then finally we're going to show how to call it from Apex. Let's start in the first bit with just creating a very basic report. We'll use the report wizard. Let me choose my connection here. You saw in the previous video we created a connection. Okay, let's go ahead and use the report wizard here. Okay, pick a template, launch report wizard. Give it a name. Okay, and then we can type our SQL directly in here. Let's take a look at using the graphical query designer. Okay, so I've selected my schema, my Oracle user, and I have tables listed for the drop down here. And I'm going to do a simple report on the demo customers table. Okay, so we'll look later at at using multiple tables, etc. But right now we'll keep it simple. Let's decide what we want to have in this report. Again, keep it simple. First name, last name, city, state, and zip. Okay. And our SQL is generated here. Okay. And next. Okay, now I'm going to, these are the fields. These are the fields that we're actually going to put into the report itself. So I'm going to leave customer ID out because although I want customer ID in my query because I'm going to use it for the parameter, it's not, I don't want it to as a field on the report. Okay, so click next. Grouping, we'll get into that later. Let's go ahead and there and click finish. Okay, and let's click the preview button and make sure it returns some data. Okay, there it is. So it's working. We obviously need to clean this up quite a bit here and make it look presentable. Do a bit of that now, actually. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can actually click directly on the report element to edit it. Or alternatively, let's see right here. So here's first name. You can also click here under the column header node, and then go to static text properties and change it there as well. Okay, and same for the rest of these. City, state, zip code. Okay, let's try to make it look presentable here. Okay, let's select all these and align it to the left here. Okay, the title isn't showing up probably because the font is too big. So let's bring that down just a bit. There we go. Okay, the easiest way to center your report title is just to drag it to the full length of the report. That's same for the description. Here, the full length like that. And then select both of them and click center. Okay, let's call it customer report. Okay, now let's preview our changes here. Okay, so now we have a basic looking report. It's at least presentable, more or less. So that's it for creating the basic report itself. We launched the report wizard. We selected a template. We built our query using the graphical query design tool. And then we tested that report, and then we just did a bit of cleanup to make the report presentable. In the next section, we'll look at adding a parameter to the report.